Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Kaissa with another new video for you to prepare your meal prep for breakfast. So we're going to play with oats, mix some Parfait, and we're going to put in these beautiful containers. So what you're going to be needing is some strawberry. We're going to mice them up tiny, like you can't even see. Just kidding. And we're going to put 4 tablespoons. Pour it at each of your container. It may look like a lot, but hey, at Parfait, it needs some yogurt. So, as for right now, you can see how I'm viewing. Just to zoom out, give you some example. Moving on, you're gonna need some nuts. These nuts, but do you know almonds are just seeds? Yes, there are, and here is gonna be some text scrolling up showing some benefit about almonds. And you are welcome. Alright, next up is going to be walnuts. Hello, tasty, crunchy smoothie. And once again, some text right here is going to be for you. And maca is a plant that grows in central Peru, which is my parents is from and where I am from. And it has been cultivated as a vegetable crop in the area for at least 3,000 years. It's a root that's used to make medicine. If you don't know that, then you are welcome. And don't forget to even sprinkle with a little bit of cinnamon and 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of your choice of healthy fats. As you can see, one day I will consume hemp seed, the other day will be flaxseed, and the other day is going to be chia seed. The reason why is that here and every other day you are consuming different kind of nutrients by just eating your seeds. And there you go, fellas, just a little quick zoom. You're going to cover up with 1 cup of oats. And there you go. But let me introduce you with this brand that I am liking it, and also my patients and my clients, the people who I meet along at this world. I just want to share this because for those who are almond freaks, who loves almonds, well, this one has almonds. I'm allergic to almonds, but I'm here sharing for those who said that yes, this is the one. You can find this in Sprouts. Trust me. Your money will be worth it, and optional if you want to make it even more sweeter, add on some blueberries. Antioxidant, baby. Hey, there you go. Your blueberries be on top. And the next move, we're gonna mix it up. And this is how it looks like when it's a Parfait. It's all mixed up. But here it goes. Might look kind of lumpy, but just looking from this makes me so hungry. Yeah, I think I might get a second bowl.
Oh, I'm so hungry.
His tummy sounds angry, Daddy.
Yeah, that's his stomach eating itself.
But it tastes really good. A lot of nutrition is going on, fooling your body, your brain, and you're gonna get so much energy by getting your day started with this kind of meal. So you guys, you're so welcome. Give it a try, and if you have tried it, please comment down below and let me know what do you guys think. Was it good or not? Or you think that I should add something else? Don't forget to give it a like and share with other people. And thank you guys.